Okay guys, welcome to a new video, and this is how to download and install and of course use a little bit of SQLite. Let's do it. First of all, we open on your browser, doesn't matter which one you have open, and then you search on Google, Bing, or wherever you want SQLite. This first page, we open it, then we click on the button that says download. Okay. And then we see all the options that we can download the files. Then in my case I have Windows, so you see here I have Windows, so we download this one. But if you have Mac or Linux or Android, you can use those. Okay, the download is done. Let's see. We open the download. There, here is the SQLite tools. We extract here, we wait, it's done. We don't need this anymore. Okay, we open, and those are the files that you will have. The machine will be using just like this application. Then we have to move the folder with all the programs to the local disk. Okay, first of all, let's call it SQLite 3. So we cut and put here. Nice, guys. We have this part. We can say that the SQLite, we are going to use it as in the CMD, you know, this file, I mean this application, programming things like, for example, make colors or any kind of stuff. Okay, so we close this one just a little bit, and oh, I almost forgot it. We have to copy this like address and then give it to the machine, clicking on the right bottom of your mouse and then properties on this machine. Then we click on configuration, advanced of the system. Then we open the machine will open this window, enter variables, and we were looking for path variable. No, this one, just this one. Okay, here we are. Then edit. We see here we don't have like the address of where is located the file, so we add it as a new. We paste the location of the file and then accept. Nice. Then we close this one also. Then we're going to create a folder that will be our like information reserve, as we can, well, I can say like that, because all the information that we wrote will be saving here. How? Okay, we copy this part of here, then we open this and put it in SQLite 3. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, let me remind who it was. Okay. We open it again. Oh, right. I don't know why this doesn't working after, I mean before. Okay, then we give the location of the file, but we have to be out of that part because we don't want to move the connection. So we put that hit, then we're out. Then we type change the direction to the folder that we want to save the information there. So we are now on that part of the database there. So that database, we click enter. Oh god. Agreement. Okay, hold on, let's do it again. My machine is very weird. Come on, right. Okay. I hope that in this part is just working on it. Okay, oh god, I remember now. It was SQLite 3 space my database dot database. Enter. Yeah, it was my mistake, sorry guys. So we see insert information and all things about it. Then we put in on this part dot database, the main one. Okay, we create. Okay, now we can create some kind of stuff, like for example, let's create a table. Create. We have to type as if we do it on the, I don't know, my SQL server. So we create table, call it, I don't know, practice. And then we put those little things. We're going to have the ID, the import, and of course it's a primary key. Don't forget this little part here, because if you don't have it, it's not going to work. Remember that we have to type this part as if it was MySQL of that. We are going to work on the database as you see here, guys. So we click on enter. Yeah. So the table is now created. Now as you see in there, it's created and all the information will be here. You see the size that now has some info. Okay, let's see now the tables. Which tables do we have? We have the practice one. Nice, is this one. We can create another table, doesn't matter which one. Let's call it, I don't know, student. Then I don't know, also another ID, another int here with primary key, and those little things is done. Now that tables, now we have two tables. So now we can create any tables as you want, guys, but remember the size part. Now we have more weight in here. So don't miss the little part that we saw in the video, this little thing, this little sign. Anyway, and if you want to see like the info or yeah, which of what it has, the the schema, let's put that, then schema, then we'll see which one we have. Well, what the tables or the last movements and information that it has. For example, we create a table that has that is named practice, and it has an ID, an integer, a primary key, and that's it. Also we create another word that says that is student ID, integer, primary key, and all the stuff. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed this video and thank you.